Wow, 77 subscribers on YouTube, guys. That's what keeps me going here, making these videos. If you haven't seen my ugly mug yet, my name is Alex. I'm the founder of the AI agency in Toronto called PIPEDA Incorporated. And I gotta say, although we're not getting too much attention from YouTube when it comes to views and stuff like that, we are getting a lot of attention from ChatGPT, and that's indicating to our team that when the large language models are indexing or doing content retrieval online, it's reading these transcripts. So even though the YouTube crowd might not be so into the technical underpinnings of voice AI integrations, ChatGPT certainly is. So I can keep a smile on my face. But I just wanted to show a new resource page that our teams put together here. If you go to peakdemand.ca and then go to resources and then click on integrations, it'll lead you to this page. Excuse me. And essentially, what our team is doing is putting together a an integrations hub for voice AI agents. So if you are curious about whether or not your system, be it EMR, ERP, CRM, or there is even some manufacturing specific systems like MES that have API gateways. If you're curious as to what sort of integrations voice AI agents can get into within your organization, you'll go to peakdemand.ca, visit this page, have a conversation with Sasha. We've put a little a widget here where you can just start a call with her and strictly talk about API integrations. I mean, if you needed the same for, AI compliance or, RFP supplier vendor, you can do the same. We try and put voice agents on all these pages to help explain what's going on. But essentially, we're putting together an index of all of the different systems, that we can pretty much find that have API gateways, and showing or at least starting you on your journey towards getting an integration done, if with a voice AI agent, if that's the system that you use. So for example, let's just say you were using Salesforce and you didn't particularly like the native voice AI agent workflow, or you didn't like the voice or the prosody, or just the natural humanization of that agent. Although Salesforce is pretty good, so maybe you're just looking for help with other API integrations, you can come to this page, take a look at the API docs for Salesforce specifically, see what we sort of look at when we're approaching an integration. So endpoints, what some of the JSON bodies look like as well. I think we have one up there for HubSpot. I know that HubSpot's native voice engine is more for data extraction on conversation through phone calls. Not 100% on whether their native voice is live yet, but again, API docs here for quite a few objects within their CRM. I really like Salesforce and HubSpot, just because the amount of objects that are working through those systems give AI agents a lot of opportunities for workflows and automations that are not just agent to Salesforce, agent to HubSpot. You can do a lot more with cross integrations with other systems, maybe a ticketing system or customer service system, stuff like that. So we're going to be working on this integration hub as we press forward into more integrations, but we also just wanted to make it easier for teams to find us. If you're looking for a specific integration and you don't see it here, let us know, reach out, say, hey, can you guys integrate into this system? Can you integrate that? Likely, if you don't see the system that you'd like to integrate AI into on this page, if you reach out to us and let us know, we'll probably have content up there to help you sort of get on the right path for your journey. Also, we got some frequently asked questions about voice AI integrations from our team. Do we support our integration into customer legacy systems? Yes, we do. Just so long as there is an API management layer or API dashboard or interface where those systems can, take in API payloads or push them out. Generally, there's no system that we can't integrate into, just so long as they have an API. So some core capabilities of PIPEDA's voice AI API integration solution for enterprise customer service automations. You can look at the details here. Again, I just want to make this piece of content known to YouTube, strictly for transcript purposes, and having it more retrievable by LLMs as well as YouTube, I suppose. But I want to just let our audience know that whatever system that you're looking at, be it CRM, EHS for healthcare, EMR for maybe just a clinic, or maybe an MES for a manufacturing facility. All of these systems have high potential for API integrations and operability with voice agents. So we're super excited. And I know, obviously, YouTube crowd's probably looking at this video going, man, this guy keeps on talking about all this techno mumbo jumbo, and I keep on seeing his face online, really not interested in this stuff. No problem. If you are interested in API integrations for voice AI systems, or maybe even, I'm getting requests from our clients and asking us if we can do certain things with AI, and I've got hungry developers in the background here who want to build custom applications. So I think the next step for us after a lot of these integrations will be to develop custom AI applications for likely larger organizations, enterprise, stuff like that. But for now, if you're just getting started, you just want an AI receptionist to plug into your CRM or any of the other systems that you're using, don't hesitate to visit peakdemand.ca. Go to this integrations page right in the resources tab, and you'll get a huge injection of information on what sort of capabilities that our team has with APIs, but more so, schedule a discovery call to see what API integrations you have the possibility for is your next best bet. So I just wanted to do a quick one here. I think this might be one of my shortest videos, which is great. And I'm also going to have some pictures and workflow images inserted into this page, just because it'll help out a lot more. But if you liked anything you heard today, or you appreciate the work that our team is doing on the adoption frontier in Canada, feel free to hit like and subscribe. We're looking forward to 100. I'll probably take all these guys out for dinner when we hit 100 subscribers, just because it's taken us longer to get to 100 subscribers than it has, for the team to make, six figures in revenue. So like for me, it's like, this stuff is funny or ironic, because the people who really need it aren't necessarily on YouTube. But we still have to make YouTube so that large language models can properly retrieve the data and the transcript. So irony there is super fun. But again, I don't mind the slow roll. It's we're looking forward to the day when a lot more organizations are like, hey, we need your help. So for now, it's the inquisitive and the forward thinkers that are really getting ahead. So if you are one of those groups and you're looking towards the future landscape of your business and you want to see it evolve, schedule that discovery call. If you just like hearing my voice and want to hear more, hit like and subscribe. Looking forward to the next one. Bye now.